Hi everyone, it's me, and I'm gonna make something that I never made in this skillet before, but I'm not sure I made a period with this is Dollar Tree ham, and surprisingly, I actually like it. So I'm just gonna take a few pieces out of here. I really wish I could have put some seasoning on it. Oh boy, but I can't because I'm allergic to eggs, by the way. So I already get sick eating eggs, but if I put anything in it, it makes it worse. So I'm just gonna cut the ham. Nothing special. Nothing special. This is about 3 slices because this meal is gonna be in the kitchen for me just to come and eat off of because I don't sit down sometimes and eat a complete meal. Just to think I'm gonna get ill. Whew. I'm actually only allergic to the egg whites. I'm not allergic to egg yolk. Hope my pan is not too hot, but it doesn't matter. You know what? Rather than hoping, let me just turn it down. Ooh, I like getting old. Look at all that in there. Ooh, she happy. Yeah, boys and girls. Sorry for the noise. I really want some seasoning on this. I wonder if I could do it. If I could do it just this one time. And I have some cheese that I got from Aldi. And at one time, I thought it was yes, yes. That's all I'm gonna do right there. This is Texas toast from the Dollar Tree. Ooh, look at that! You see the cheese in there? Mmm. But I don't want it to burn. So you know what? I'm gonna leave it. This is Texas toast from the Dollar Tree, and I love that you get 4 of them in there. And this is my outgoing mail. You like my picture? Yes. Beautiful. I'm gonna eat 2 of them. Yes. I wonder how much do I usually put it down. Let's put it down. I don't know how much I put it on. I'm getting a package today, boys and girls. I don't think it has anything in it for me to add to my videos, but it's a crafting package. No, it's peppermint oil. I'm gonna do the sticks, but I'm gonna show you. I think it's cooking up, boys and girls. Yeah. I think it's coming together. That's exactly what I need right there. Right there. I don't know how to make an omelet. I haven't made one in years. And I'm wondering now. I think I was in high school when I made an omelet. But I need my my egg to cook a little longer, so just a little longer. And my you know. Isn't that so pretty? Yes. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, yes! The last time I made my toast, it didn't come out hard enough. So when I was taking this one out, I put it on 3 extra minutes. So oh yes. Ooh, yes. Oh, I should leave one in there, yeah. No, I think last time I left one in there, it got a little soft. Oh, oh, mm, mm, mm. Oh, oh my goodness. I hope to get to Dollar Tree soon to get some ham as well as some Texas toast. Now, of course, you're not gonna be able to make this beautiful meal like this unless you watch my videos. That's right. Oh, oh. Mm. I saw some water here. It must be the steam from here. But this this egg is fantastic, and guess why? I can actually taste the salted butter. Oh my goodness, yes. And when I go shopping, I'm gonna get salted butter and plain butter to see how I like them with meals, especially since I do add like a little shake of salt in some of my meals. But I'm gonna have to sit down now. I started taking my medicine again, and unbeknownst to me, it is contributing to my fainting. So yesterday I went downstairs to my neighbor's door for something. As soon as my neighbor opened the door, within 2 seconds I fainted at her door, and I was so sad because she never saw me faint. It was sad, but anyway, I gotta sit down. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.